Let's talk about communication with your agent. Communication is the number one thing in real estate transactions. You have to be open and transparent about what your goals are, or your agent can't properly work on your behalf. Agents exist literally to represent you and to be your number one person in the transaction. We are here to stand by you every step of the way. Your interests are our interests. Just like a lawyer or a CPA or anyone else you hire on your behalf, a plumber, a real estate agent is simply there to represent your interests and to do the work needed to engineer your success in the real estate transaction. So whether that's being upfront about the areas you're looking for, doing the things needed in the background to make sure that your transaction is going successfully, like getting your pre-approval in place, responding in a timely manner when your agent has asked you for certain things. They're not doing it to place burdens on you. They're doing it to make sure that you get what you're looking for. So make sure your objectives are always clear to them, and your realtor will work on your behalf to make sure those objectives become a reality. And so that's what we're paid to do. And ultimately, here's the great thing for you. Realtors don't get paid unless you're successful in the transaction. Nobody gets paid in a real estate transaction until the very end of things when the transaction closes. So your realtor is always going to be working hard on your behalf to make sure that that deal goes through and that the house that you want, whether you're selling it or you're buying, your realtor is there to make sure that happens the way you want it to happen. So keep those communication channels clear, whether it's text or email or calling. Just stay in touch because your agent should be staying in touch with you. But it's a two-way street, and the more open and energetic you are in the transaction, the easier it makes it for everyone. So keep those channels clear and just be really excited to work with your agent.